Everybody, so guys, this is just like a little short, cause it's like 8. I'm so sleepy. I have school. I have school at like 10 a.m. I'm so tired. Now I will give you guys a shout out for Pia, which is Camila and I's classmate. That is really nice. She has a face reveal on school, but she will not do it yet on her bunny coffee. But I want her to do a face reveal. If you wanted to do a face reveal, subscribe. Don't subscribe if you want. If you subscribe, thank you so much for supporting me and Tia and Camila. And just subscribe to her, and I'll tell her to do a face reveal.